Okay, hello बच्चों. Today we are going to do some important question based on volume, formula of volume, and these are the combined figures that we are considering here in our questions. So let us see some question. A question you can see here on board. This question is a combination of the different figures. There is a one sphere and a cylinder which is surmounted on a sphere. ये स्फेरिकल पोर्शन है यहाँ पर और स्फेरिकल पोर्शन के ऊपर जस्ट अबव द स्फीयर देयर इज अ सिलेंडर and it is the figure which is combined by it is a combination of the two different figures, right? And we need to find out what is the volume of the combined two figures. According to NCERT, you can see there in the NCERT there is a question that a boy has measured, he find out the volume of the whole figure by 345 something like this, and we have to verify whether the boy has done the correct calculation or not. आपको चेक करना है कि एक क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग बॉय ने इसकी कैलकुलेशन किया और ही ऑब्टेन्ड आइदर अ बॉय और गर्ल, आई डोंट नो व्हाट दैट, और उसने ऑब्टेन किया 345 मीटर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सो वी हैव टू वेरीफाई वेदर हिज और हर कैलकुलेशन इज करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट. So the concept, the idea to find out the volume, we will apply the different formulas, but it should be clear to everyone because in a sphere there is only one dimension which is radius, and as far as concerned for cylindrical portion के लिए आपके पास दो डायमेंशन होगी, एक तो उसकी हाइट होगी और दूसरा उसका रेडियस होगा. सो कॉमन वेरिएबल डायमेंशन को कॉमन करने के लिए ध्यान रखना है कि वी हैव अ टू डिस्टिंक्ट रेडियस एंड there is only one common thing which is pi. The value of pi, it is also provided here 3.14. So how we can find out? Let's consider, इसको हम डिनोट कर लेते हैं वॉल्यूम 1 और इसको कंसीडर करेंगे वॉल्यूम 2. So we need to find out the total volume of the figure which is equal to volume 1 plus volume 2. I mean to say volume 1, volume of cylinder, and volume 2 means volume of sphere. And volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, but in place of r we shall write another alphabet or other denotation so that we can identify the different radius. So I am writing it by r1 square, and for the sake of the second part 4/3 pi r cube, so I will write here r2 cube, because both the figure are, although they are the combined figure, but they both figure having different radius. That's why I'm writing here r1 and r2. Now you can check the pi is common in both. The rest of the part r1 square h plus 4/3 r2 cube. In this manner we shall get a common part pi 3.14, and r1 in place of r1 you will write 1, because diameter is 2 and diameter is 2, the radius will 1 square multiplied by 8 plus 4/3 multiplied by r2 cube. So what will be the radius of this part? When you take half of the diameter of sphere, 8.5 का half कितना होगा? You will get 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 2, 4.25. So you will write here 4.25 whole cube. So this is your calculation part now, and by the calculation we shall obtain whether the calculation of the boy is correct or incorrect. हमें भी calculation करनी पड़ेगी. So while doing the calculation, separately I made the calculation of the question. So I got which is different from the calculation of the boy. When you do the calculation 3.14 and बाकी का जो सारा part है, when you will do multiply and finally you will get the total answer which is equal to, I'm leaving this part, this is the calculation part, so you will get 346.15 centimeter cube, and which is not same as the 345. So on the basis of our calculation, we can say that the calculation of the boy is incorrect. So you can do the calculation by yourself, because 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 4 से करेंगे, 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 8 से एडिशन करेंगे 3.14. There is a calculation basically. So whatever the calculation done by the boy, and he obtained 345 as a volume of this combined figure, and according to my calculation I already done this calculation graph. So I got 346.15, which is different from the calculation. So we can say the calculation of the boy to find out the volume in concern of the question is incorrect, right? There is a difference in the questions. There is a difference in the answers. Now see the another question. I have another question. There is an iron pole. There is an iron pole, and the iron pole is a combination of the two distinct iron poles. There is a one iron pole which is bigger and the broader, which is in the bottom part, and there is surmounted there one another cylinder which is above the first one. So we need to find out the total mass of this iron pole on the basis of, because the density is provided here. The density of the question we have given that 8 gram per centimeter cube. So whatever the volume we shall obtain, from this question, and the density is given here, and if we want to find out the mass is equal to density multiplied by volume. So first we need to find out the volume, and I will just give you the dimension of this figure. So as per the question, we have 66 centimeters the height of the cylinder, which is surmounted on the base of the iron pole, which is broader, and the radius of this is 10 centimeter, and this part, its height is 240 centimeter, 240, and if we see that its radius is 13 centimeter. So these are the dimensions which is given here. So on the basis of the dimension and the figure, we conclude that we have two different cylinders, and we shall apply the formula of two different cylinders. Either you can calculate both the first cylinder and second cylinder separately, and by getting the addition you will get the total volume. Otherwise, you can apply a combined formula. Volume is equal to volume 1 plus volume 2. Volume 1 is for, we are considering for the first cylinder, and volume 2 we are considering for the second cylinder. Now we shall write the formula pi. Now there is a different radius and different height. So we shall write r1 square h1 plus pi r2 square h2. Now you can take pi common. When you will take pi common, you will get r1. The value of radius is 10. 10 square multiplied by 66 plus r square 13 square multiplied by 240. Now again you have a calculation part. In calculation part, 22 by 7, 6600 plus 169 multiplied to 240. अब 169 को 240 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 6600 में ऐड करके अगेन वही सेम आ गया. वी हैव अनदर कैलकुलेशन पार्ट, एंड बाय द कैलकुलेशन यू विल गेट द टोटल आंसर 1,48,802 point something as per my calculation. I'm just looking at the calculation. This is already done by me in rough page. So you can see that the volume that we are obtaining here, 1,48,802.4 centimeter cube. It is the part of the calculation. You will do the calculation by yourself. So whatever the volume you are getting, it is a combined volume of the both figure. Now we need to find out the mass, volume of the iron pole. First we will write here iron का volume लिखना है आपको. Then whatever the density provided for the material, Volume is 1,48,802 multiplied by density 8 ग्राम, और 8 तो ग्राम में है, सो 1000 से आप क्या कर देंगे, डिवाइड कर देंगे। तो फाइनली आपको जो आंसर आएगा पूरा, यू विल गेट द होल आंसर इन केजी। यू विल गेट होल आंसर इन केजी। केजी में आपको आंसर मिलेगा। तो फाइनली कुछ ऐसा आ जाएगा 1184.66 kg. It is the final answer in terms of kg. The mass of the whole combined figure, you will get 1184.66. Right? In this manner, we can do the different variety of the question which are combined, which will represent the solid figures in a combination of different 3D shapes, and by applying the formula, we will obtain the answers. Thank you so much.